Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can apply one transition or same transition to all slides on Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have prepared my presentation on Microsoft PowerPoint and I'm going to add transition. I'm going to go to the transitions menu and then you can choose a transition that you like. For example, I'm going to choose this fracture transition and I'm going to apply this transition to all my slides. I'm going to select fractures, and then if you want to apply this transition to all these slides, we just need to click on apply to all right here. And before you apply to all, you can add sound for your transition. For example, I'm just going to add explosion. And you can customize the duration, but I'm just going to leave it like that, and we can click on apply to all. Okay, and now this transition has been applied to all my slides, and I'm going to... This is the result, guys. Okay guys, and that's all the way to apply one transition or same transition to all slides on Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.